Today, I'll show you how to install Cloudflare Warp on Windows. Before we begin, there's one important thing to understand. Cloudflare's Windows app is the Cloudflare Warp client, and Cloudflare says it has two main personal modes: Warp, which encrypts all traffic leaving your computer, and 1.1.1.1, which only encrypts DNS traffic to Cloudflare's resolver. Cloudflare also lists Windows 11 as a supported platform for the client. To get started, open your browser and go to Cloudflare's official Warp download page for Windows. Cloudflare's documentation points Windows users to the official desktop client and also maintains a stable releases page for the Cloudflare One client, which is the current Windows client line for Warp. Download the Windows installer from the official Cloudflare source. Once the installer finishes downloading, open it and go through the normal Windows installation steps. After the app installs, launch the Cloudflare Warp client. Cloudflare's docs say the client can then be used in personal Warp mode or in 1.1.1.1 mode, depending on what you want. Now let's turn it on. Open the Warp app and use the main switch to connect. By default, Cloudflare says Warp mode is the recommended mode because it encrypts all traffic leaving your computer, including DNS. If you only want DNS protection instead, click the app icon, open the gear or settings area, and choose 1.1.1.1 as the mode. If your goal is only to use Cloudflare DNS without the Warp tunnel, there's also a manual Windows 11 DNS method. Cloudflare's Windows setup guide says you can go to Settings, then Network and Internet, open your connection, edit DNS server assignment, switch it to manual, enable IPv4, and enter 1.1.1.1 as preferred DNS and 1.0.0.1 as alternate DNS. Cloudflare also offers family filter DNS options. Its resolver documentation says 1.1.1.2/1.0.0.2 blocks malware, while 1.1.1.3/1.0.0.3 blocks malware, plus adult content. So if you want extra filtering instead of standard 1.1.1.1, you can use those addresses in Windows instead. One more thing to remember is that current Cloudflare desktop documentation uses the Cloudflare One client naming in some places, but Cloudflare's Warp docs still describe the personal Warp experience and its modes directly. For Windows users, that means you should still use the official Cloudflare client and official Cloudflare download pages rather than third-party sites. And that's how to install Cloudflare Warp on Windows. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.